Hi, let's see the key differences between CUR 2.0 and the legacy CUR. So first, the cost and usage report 1.0 or legacy CUR was released in 2019. Then the shift to the new CUR 2.0 began in late 2023 with many key differences, such as first, schema consistency. So CUR 2.0 has a fixed, consistent schema. Legacy CUR columns could vary monthly based on service used, cost categories, and tags, requiring frequent parser updates. Then data structure. CUR 2.0 reduces data sparsity by organizing tags, cost categories, and resource attributes into nested JSON or mapped columns rather than thousands of separate sparse columns. Third, exclusive features. CUR 2.0 supports split cost allocation data for ECS and also EKS containers cost, which is not supported in the legacy format. And then additional columns such as account name or capacity reservation status. So how to migrate? So the method one, you can create and export with a new schema. So you will only have the new data from the starting day of your export. And method 2 will be to create an export with an SQL query using the old CUR schema. And then you can transform your old data to the new schema. And don't forget to visit this link here to migrate.